Guys, I decided to bring y'all another video because my previous video I had like some braids and it transitioned into this video. This hairstyle that I did, which is I ended up leaving some hair out in the back, and I did the little Bantu knots, and I have two braids on the sides. I think I'm gonna dress it up a little bit, put some beads or something. But I just want, because my video is a little late, but I'm bringing y'all some juiciness again. So I hope y'all enjoy. Oh, and I'm currently using my phone to upload my videos. I know I haven't done any editing in my videos or anything. That's because I don't know how. So if you guys know how to like do editing, if you know of any good cameras, if you can help me set up like with the setup of the camera and stuff, so I could really like give my channel a boost. Like, comment, subscribe, give me some comments, some ideas that you guys may have, a little help, so I could have my channel up and running better than what it is now. Because right now I'm just kind of like putting my videos out there, because like I said, I don't really know how. I know how to edit, but not like really make my channel extremely like the bomb. I mean, it's the bomb now, but it's not the bomb.com. So yeah, if you guys can help me on that, that would be perfect. Thank you guys for watching my channel again. Bye.